Good evening. Right. So today's topic is AWS account creation. So as discussed yesterday, uh, today we will understand how to create AWS account. Because in AWS account only, we are going to launch virtual machines. We're going to create infrastructure, everything. How to create the infrastructure? Go to this portal, aws.amazon.com. In this portal, here you can see create an AWS account. This account is absolutely free of cost. AWS is giving two types of accounts. One is free tier account and the other one is paid version. Why they are giving free tier means, see, in my project, I have multiple choices to use either AWS cloud or Azure cloud or GCP cloud. But how can I choose which cloud is better? How can I understand? If I use the cloud, if I have some experience, then only I can decide which cloud is better. So that's why AWS has given this free tier account. They're giving it for free of cost. You can create the infrastructure, you can understand the services. If you feel AWS cloud is good, then they will use AWS cloud, the paid version. Just like if you want to buy a car, first you do a trial, like you do a test drive. If the features, everything is comfort, then only you will buy the car. Without test drive, like, people will not cannot decide. Right. So here also, we are creating a free tier account. So click on create an AWS account. Sign up for AWS. You need to enter your email ID, root user email ID, whatever the personal Gmail ID you have, right? You need to enter that email ID, gmail.com, and give your full name, AWS account name. Like you can give anything, but better give your full name and click on verify email address. Once we click on this button, our email will receive one notification, one OTP. You need to log into your Gmail, copy that OTP, and you need to paste in the next page. Once you click on verify email button, they'll send one OTP. Let me show you how it looks like. Yeah, once you click on AWS account creation, like create an AWS account. You can see here by giving the email address, entering the full name, click on verify email address. So I have given my email ID, arvindtrainingscloud@gmail.com. They have sent one OTP to my email ID. I logged into my email, I copied that and I have pasted here. Once you verify the code, once you click on verify button, your email ID will be verified. Whether this is your email ID or not, that will be verified. Once your email ID is verified, you need to set up your password. You need to enter your user password, then confirm password, then click on continue. Once you click on continue, your email ID will be verified and your password for your AWS account also verified. In the next page, it is asking you to choose what type of account you want to create, whether personal accounts or for business purpose, for projects purpose in office, or for personal, for just for practicing. You choose personal. Who should we contact about this account? So you need to give your full name, your contact number, your country, your full address, complete address. Then click on next. In the next page, you need to enter your credit card details or debit card details. These cards should be either Visa, MasterCard, or American Express. Other than these cards, AWS will not accept. Like there are some other cards like Rupee or Rupee, something. Other cards also there. Rupee, I think, yeah, Rupee cards also. Like the other cards will not be accepted. So you check whether you're using Visa card, MasterCard, or American Express. Even if you're using Visa, MasterCard, American Express, some people uh, like face some issues. They ping me usually, like they say like our card is not accepting, some issue with the account activation. Why? Because Your card should have online transactions enabled for international. In your net banking, like you check whether your card is enabled for international transactions or not. Why? Because here we need to enter our credit card or debit card details, enter your expiry date, month, year, name of the card holder, like whatever the name present on the card, CVV number, then choose your address. If you have PAN card, yes, and click on verify and continue. Once you click on verify and continue button, they will deduct 2 rupees from your card. So this deduction can happen only if you enable the transactions from your card. If you don't enable the transactions from mobile application or net banking application, you can enable the international transactions. Because this is an international transaction, just 2 rupees. This is just to verify whether this card belonging to you or not. Once you enter OTP, 2 rupees will be deducted from your account, from your card, and it will be verified that your card is verified. Within 24 hours, they will refund back this 2 rupees. Okay. Then you click on submit button. In the next page, you need to confirm your identity. Like whatever the name you have given in the first page, right? Here you have given an AWS account name. I have given Aravind Trainings. So same thing is displaying here, Aravind Trainings. So select the name. Primary purpose of account registration. Why you are creating this account? You will have multiple options like personal use, organization, business. You need to choose personal use because we are creating this just for our learning purpose, to learn AWS, to understand AWS. Ownership type, it is an individual because this is your personal account, right? So choose individual. Then select, you need to give your document type like either PAN card number, if or Aadhaar card. I think Aadhaar card is not given, maybe voter ID card, some list of documents are there. If you choose PAN, you need to enter your PAN card. Select this checkbox and click on next. In the next page, you need to confirm your identity through your mobile number by sending messages or voice call. If you choose text message, after entering your mobile number, you will receive one OTP to your mobile number. You need to enter that OTP for confirmation of your number. If you choose voice call, immediately you will receive one call to your mobile from Amazon AWS, one automated call. It will say like, we are calling from AWS. If you want to create an AWS account, please press 1 for confirmation, press 2 for reject, like that. You will receive one automated call. Then click on send SMS. Once you click on send SMS, you will receive one SMS OTP. You can confirm. Finally, you need to choose the plan. What type of plan you want? Basic support plan, developer support plan, like different types of plans are there here. Business support plan. This basic support plan is absolutely free of cost. What is this support plan? You ordered something in Flipkart, like you bought you got a TV that should be delivered within 2 days, but it's been more than 3 days. You are not receiving the TV. Order is not delivered. What you will do? There is no Flipkart store to visit. You will contact to customer support of Flipkart. You will tell them like, this is my order ID. Can you please share the details? So they'll tell you, yeah, your order is pending with some delivery agent. You will be receiving within 1 or 2 days. They will give you the information. They will support you. Similarly, if you need any support from AWS also, there are 3 types of support. Basic support, which is absolutely free of cost. In basic support, they will give you information. They will support you on account activation, account related issues. If you need developer support, you need to pay every month $29. If you need business support, you need to pay $100 per month. So for our practicing purpose, for free trial, basic support is more than enough. You no need to choose this one. Once you click on complete sign up, our AWS account is created. Congratulations. Thank you for signing up for AWS. We are activating your account, which should only take a few minutes. Like within a minute, you will able to log into AWS account. Once you click on this button, go to the AWS management console. It will show this page. Enter your email address next, then you can type password. So these are the steps to create AWS account. Any doubts? Any doubts in creating AWS account? You can unmute and talk if you have any questions. Nalini, is it clear?
Yes, but it's generally like we are creating Amazon. I mean, we are logging into Amazon, right?
See, to to use the services from AWS, to use the infrastructure from AWS, we need to create an AWS account. So here is the URL to create AWS account, aws.amazon.com. From this URL, you can create an AWS account and you can use the infrastructure from Amazon company. You need to register your email ID for verification, card details, credit card or debit card details. Once your account is created, you can log into your account just like your net banking. How you log into your net banking for SBI or HDFC, your banking application, and you do the transactions. Similarly, to use the infrastructure from Amazon company, you need to create your AWS account. These are the steps for creating account. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
So the credit card details are only for a reference, right?
That is for verification purpose. Why? Because AWS will charge. See, you are creating 100 servers. You are creating some database, but AWS will not give it for free of cost. Everything will be charged. For verification purpose, you need to give the card details. And here, you no need to worry. They will not deduct even 1 rupee also without your permission. I'll show you. So I'm logging into my AWS account.
Okay, so with this free account creation, uh, see whatever we are going to get is that sufficient for the learning?
Yeah, of course. See, uh, till now I am using AWS free tier account only because if I have to use business account, I have to pay some lakhs of rupees.
Yeah, that is correct. But my question is,
You can learn absolutely. You can learn in free tier account only. You can learn all the services.
okay, so whatever the 20 services you are referring, are
Not
all these services covered under this free account? Am I right?
not no Vijay. You can learn 200 services also for free of cost. And I'm telling
Okay.
you, the main important point in free tier account is they will generate the bills. Even though this is a free tier account, they will give you some limitations. I will show you in the website. See, aws.amazon.com free. This is the free tier account website. This account only we are creating, free tier account.
Yeah.
Is absolutely free for 12 months. In this 12 months, what they are giving for free? Amazon EC2 is a service. This service you can use maximum 750 hours per month for free. If you exceed 750 hours, then they will start generating the bills. They're giving
Okay.
you
So
storage.
how do they calculate this 750 hours? Is it
Yeah,
something?
I'll explain.
Yeah.
Uh, I'll explain. So this S3 service, coming to S3 service, they're giving S3 service maximum 5 GB for free. If you exceed 5 GB, then they'll start generating the bills. RDS, database, you can use database maximum 750 hours. If you exceed 750 hours, they'll start generating the bills. Not only one, two, three services, almost for 200 services, they will be having some limitations. If you exceed, then only they'll start generating the bills. Now coming to my AWS account, I will log into my account and I'll show you.
So do they give any alert? Do they give any alert if we are reaching out to the
Yes.
free limit and when they are getting?
Yeah. You can create alerts also. You can set up notifications also. In
Okay.
free tier, you no need to worry because you are not going to pay even single rupee. Even you get lakhs of rupees.
Yeah. No, I was just trying to understand if we have
Yeah.
any. Yeah, when we have limitations, if we have any controls to set up so that.
Limitations are only for free tier.
Yeah.
Okay. Only for free tier limitation. But in your office purpose, you are not going to use free tier. There is no limitation.
Yeah.
Observe here, I'm signing into my AWS account. I have entered my email ID. Now I'm entering password. Click on sign in. This is my AWS console. Account name, AWS account name, Aravind Trainings. This is my account name. Right now, by default, I am in Tokyo region. Okay. This is my account ID. Here I can see my account details.
So
Here,
your Tokyo region is where your account has been created.
no.
No, oh, you are in the Tokyo region zone or what?
Yeah, I'll explain each and everything, whatever I'm showing you. Right now, I'm in AWS account. This is my account ID. Here I can see my account details. Here I can see my billing details, how much bills are generated. To sign out, this is the button. And coming to the regions, as I told, AWS has 34 regions. By default, I'm in Tokyo region, Asia Pacific, Northeast one. AP means not Andhra Pradesh, it is Asia Pacific Northeast one. Whatever I do here, if I create any server, that server will be created in Tokyo. If I create database, that will be reflected in Tokyo. Whatever I do, if I
Yeah.
create RAM, database,
That
storage,
DC they are going to create in that DC. Yeah.
every infrastructure, whatever I do, that will be created in Tokyo. But
Tokyo
I
DC.
have some different plans. My infrastructure should be created in North Virginia. Then I should change my region. Just click on this North Virginia region. Now my console will be changed to North Virginia. Now, whatever I do here, everything, all the infrastructure will be created in North Virginia, not in Tokyo or Mumbai or Sydney. Understood, Vijay?
Yeah, yeah, I'm clear. I'm clear with that. So your account will be created in that DC.
My account is not created in any particular region.
Okay.
It's not about account is
Okay.
a
So
global.
once you have a
Account is
setup,
global,
once you have
universal.
a setup created, so for example, you have created your entire setup in Virginia. Will it
Mm.
be possible to change it to a different zone?
You cannot transfer the infrastructure, like whatever the infrastructure you create, you cannot transfer. You can replicate them.
Yeah.
Whatever the
Yeah.
infra you
Got it.
create,
I got it.
again,
Yeah.
oh,
Yeah. Understand. Yeah. So initially, we will have to decide in which zone we are going to create our setup, and that will be our main DC.
yes,
Okay.
correct. In our course for practicing purpose, you can choose anything. Either you can choose North Virginia or Tokyo, whatever, but stick to one region only. Why? Because you have launched 5 servers in North Virginia. Next day, when you log into AWS account, by default, it will take you to Tokyo. You will search for that 5 servers, and you'll think the servers are not there, they are missing. Again, you will create some database. Next, like you will be confusion. Where is the infrastructure? So that's why maintain only single region for all the infrastructure to avoid unnecessary confusions. In real time, we decide regions based on the project, based on the client. We have to choose the region, not as our wish. And this is the settings button. Here you can change the console settings like dark, light, like these options will be there. And here, this button will show you all services. AWS itself means services. Amazon Web Services. Like Ola company providing cab service, Rapido providing bike service, like services, and as well as parcel services like that. AWS providing types of services. Analytics related, they are providing Athena service, AWS Clean Rooms service, Cloud Search, Data Exchange, Amazon Data Firehose. All these services belongs to analytics. Application integration related services are these. Blockchain related service only one. Business application related this. Like compute related EC2, Bash, Elastic Beanstalk, Lambda. You no need to remember any name, services name. Like all, nobody will remember all the 200 services names. Just I'm telling you the information. So these are all storage related services. AWS backup service, EFS service, satellites, ground station service, robotics, RoboMaker service,
So
machine learning.
maybe just a question. So all these services, if we have 200 different services, right? So
Yes,
every service is different from others, right?
yes,
Every
every service.
service comes with different features and
Exactly, correct.
okay. So depends upon what kind of business model we are going to set up. We will have to pick the services and integrate them.
Yes, correct.
Okay.
If you see here in storage, I choose storage. See, this is a storage, managed file storage, storage related only. It is also storage related only. then why they are giving multiple storage services? Means these features are different, these features are different. Okay.
Yeah, yeah. But handling all these services, this command line is same.
Uh, yeah.
Commands are same and command instructions are same.
No, no, commands are different for each and everything. The commands are different. We can
Commands are different. Okay.
different, different. Yes, different.
Okay. Okay.
There
So
is
then there will be a big list of commands.
yeah, very big list, but you no need to remember the commands also. I'll, I'll say there are three types. There are three types to manage the infrastructure. I'll tell you, like, I'll go step by step, step by step. I'll tell you.
Okay, 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 okay.
So let me finish the session. Like at the end, you can ask whatever questions you have. So this is services button. Here we can see all the services what AWS is providing. And now this is a search box to search any of the service. Like, let's say I want to launch one server. To launch any virtual machine, we have a service called EC2. If you want to open EC2 service, you can search here EC2. Here it is showing, right, EC2. This service is used for launching virtual servers in the cloud. Once you click on this button, it will redirect to EC2 dashboard. This is the EC2 console, EC2 dashboard. Now, I want to search for storage service S3. Type S3. S3 service. This service is about scalable storage in the cloud. If I click on S3, it will open S3 dashboard. S3. So this is Amazon S3 service. So this is a search box to search for the services. Here is the list of all the services. And yeah, this is the settings option. This is the regions to choose the different types of region. If you click on London, my console will change to London region. Here is the billing and cost management. So I'm clicking on billing page. So this is billing and cost management. This account, Aravind Trainings account, this account I have created very recently, maybe 1 week or 10 days back only I have created. Every 2 months, I used to create a new AWS account. I'll tell you the reason why. This account I have created recently, right? For the month of October, from October 1st to October 31st. Even we did not finish October. We are in October 23rd only. For the past 23 days, I got around $2.73 billing. So I did not pay the bill, $2.73. I did not pay anything. For what they have charged this 2 point change dollars. You can see here. Total active services are 12. For EC2, for Elastic Compute Cloud service only, I got billing around $2.3. For data transfer, around $0.01. For RDA service, $0.01. For remaining all the services, $0.0000. Okay, let's say for October month, I got around $5. They will send me the invoice to pay the bills. Arvind, please pay the bills. You got $5 billing. I'll just ignore. Again, for November month, I may get $20. Again, I'll ignore. They'll say send me the invoice. I'll ignore. Again, December month, they'll generate the bills around $30-40 or $5 also, maybe. Depends upon my usage. For the continuous 3 months, if I'm not paying the bills, they will suspend my AWS account. I cannot use my accounts. So what I'll do again, instead of paying all the bills, I will create one more AWS account. So this is what happening for each and every batch. So till now I have created almost 30-40 accounts. If I have to pay the bills, I need to pay more than 10 lakhs only for AWS bills. Even if you don't pay also, they will not tell you anything. No need to worry. I'll show you how they'll send the invoices. See, this is for recently, September 2024 month. I got billing around 557. Dear Amazon Web Services customer account number. This is a different account. See, 66014 in the last. This is 791397. I did not pay the bills for this account. They are sending the continuous invoices. So finally, they have suspended my account.
So do they accept same credit card for verification?
No, every time you see, sometimes I think there is a limitation. Same credit card you can use either 2 times or 3 times. If you use more than that, they will not accept for verification.
Okay.
And you have to use different email IDs. So, earlier I used Aravind Trainings Cloud @gmail.com, and this time I'm using arvindtrainings.com at gmail, some different email ID. Again, I have created a new email ID. Every time I used to create new email IDs. See, this email ID I have created. Previously, this email ID is there. For each and every AWS account, you need to create new email IDs. Okay. See here. Finally, what they are saying, your AWS account has been restricted because of non-payment. While your account is restricted, you will experience limited ability to buy new resources. If you do not receive payment immediately, your account may be suspended. That's all they can do. But they will not deduct even single rupee from your credit card or debit card. Any doubts? Okay. No. In EC2 service, again, if you want to know more details, in which region the bills got generated, I used EC2 service in Tokyo region. For Tokyo region, only $2.3. And how many hours I use for what? I have used NAT gateway for 37 hours. Only for NAT component, I got $2.29 billing. And for the 0.062 per GB data processed, for that I got $0.01 billing. So like this, they will mention each and everything for what they are charging, for which component, how many hours you used, usage quantity, like description, everything they will show you. And as I told you, in free tier account, AWS free tier, they have given some limitations for us to use EC2 service. They're giving maximum how many hours? 750 hours. Now coming to my EC2, I can check how many hours I used in this month. Still, how many hours left? We can track. This is EC2 service, right? EC2 dashboard. Here they are showing offer usage monthly. 644 hours still remaining. Total 750 hours, right? Out of 750, I utilized almost 106 hours. More 644 hours are left. And storage. For EBS, they will give maximum 30 GB for free per month. I utilized around 6 GB. More 24 GB is available. Understood? This is not for only one particular region. In maybe you think like for North Virginia, 750 hours, for Tokyo, 750 hours. No, overall 750 hours. You might use 100 hours in North Virginia, 300 hours in Tokyo. So overall, you use 400 hours like that across the account, not in the particular region. Any doubts in billing? Any questions? Priya, Nalini, Vijay, Akshay.
No,
I've been told that we can use whenever we want and we can
What whenever we
like
want.
huh?
Can you repeat your question?
You said something like we can use whenever we want, and if we don't want to use for 1 week, then we can uh, take a break, and the billing is not calculated.
Let's see. For example, I need 5 servers, 5 virtual machines I need. To launch virtual machines, see, from EC2 service, I can launch the machines. In North Virginia, I did not launch any machines. Okay, let's go to Tokyo. I already launched few instances here. Can you see this instances? Instance means server. How many servers are there in Tokyo? Only one server. This server, whether is it running or stopped?
Stop.
AWS will give you maximum 750 hours. Only if it is in running state, they will calculate. Am I using this server now?
No.
I'm explaining you some different topic. Am I using this server? I'm not using. So what I did, I have stopped the machine. If my work is done, I have stopped it. So if it is stopped, they will not calculate into this 750 hours. If I have started this machine, let's say, now I will start. Instant state start.
Okay, you can stop it like for any number of days.
Yes, your wish. You can stop, you can start at any time, any number of days, any number of months. Now the instance is running. The instance started at 8:39 p.m. Now, if I keep this instance running continuously for 3 days, 3 days means almost 72 hours. So already I have used 106 hours on top of 106, 72. So like the billing will go on increase. So the hours will go on increase. Up to 750, it is fine. If you cross 750, then they'll start generating the bills for EC2, I'm telling you, not for all the services. For EC2, 750. If it is storage, 30 GB max. If it is EBS, 30 GB. If it is S3, 5 GB. Like that, each service, they have restrictions, limitations. If I'm not using, what I'll do, I'll stop unnecessarily. Why to generate the bills, right? So I'll stop. Is that clear?
Yeah, yes.
No. So this is AWS account. Any doubts in AWS account creation? Okay. See, this is a console home, AWS console home. Recently visited. It will show the recently visited services. Recently, I have opened EC2 service. Recently, I have opened billing and cost management. I have opened S3 service. Whatever services you accessed very recently, it will show the list here. And what else? Yes, the final one. If you have any issues, if you need any support, if you need any help from AWS customer support, how to contact them? Go to this question mark button, support center. Once you click on support center, my account has chosen basic support plan. See, support plan is basic, which is absolutely free of cost. While creating account, I have choose this one. If I go for developer account, developer support or business support, I need to pay the money. So that is not required for us. Here you can see create case. Case means ticket. If you want to contact to them, you need to create the ticket. Whatever the reason might be, you need to create the ticket. Choose the related issue for your case. Is it an account and billing related issue or is it a technical related issue? If it is a technical, you need to choose technical support. But my account has chosen only basic support, no? Basic support, no? That's why I cannot use this technical support as of now. If I upgrade my account to technical support, then only I can use this service, this support. Okay. Let's go for account and billing. This is free of cost. We can use this. What type of issue you have here? You need to choose. Is it academy program related or account related, account activation related, billing related issue? You can choose the issue type. Let's go for billing. Category. Is it a charge inquiry? Like different options you can see. Update payment method, update billing details, like payment issue. Severity, general question. Next, you need to explain what is your issue. Billing generating. I have given some sample content. Description. You need to describe your ticket, like you in more words, up to 8,000 characters. You can describe about your issue. If you have any attachments, you can attach like photos, anything you can attach. Next. How name of the service recommended. 。 solve now or contact us. If you click on solve now, you can see the documentation. No, I cannot understand by documentation means you can contact to them. There are three methods to contact AWS customer support. Web means through mails. They will get back to you to your registered email ID via mails in this format. Like how they're sending me the emails. Like this, they will send you acknowledgement. Hi, like dear Amazon Web Services customer, your account related issue is what is what, like you can interact with the emails. Again, later you need to revert back like this. No, this email is not comfortable for me. I will directly talk to them. Means you can choose the phone option. Give your country. If you're in India, give India phone number. If you're in US, you give US phone number. No, I don't know their slang. I cannot talk to them because the people are from different countries. You don't know the person, the customer support from which country, maybe from South Africa, India, UK. If you don't understand their slang, that is also a problem. You can choose chat also otherwise. If you choose chat and click on submit, one person will come to the live chat session now. This person can be from any country. He's a AWS customer support team. Don't think like he's a like normal Amazon or Flipkart customer support who is working for 10,000 rupees salary. They are purely technical persons. They know each and everything about AWS. They have different departments. If you are raising account related issue, they will transfer this ticket to account related department. If your query is related to some technical parts on EC2, they will redirect this ticket to technical team. Like different departments are there. They will have more knowledge on AWS more than us. Whatever query you have, they will resolve. So now let's see. One person will come to the live chat. This is my ticket number. Whatever the conversation you have with this customer support associate, everything will be recorded. Recorded means the chat conversation will be sent to your email ID. If you're chatting from your Office AWS account, everything will be sent to your email. Like what you have texted, like what they replied you. Every conversation will be recorded. So that's why you need to be very careful while you're having a conversation with them also. So this is my ticket details, status as of now not assigned. Once an associate comes, it will be assigned to one person. Category, billing, payment issue, language, English. This is my registered. They'll revert back if any issue is there. The chat conversation will be sent to this email ID. The correspondence, in correspondence, everything will be tracked. Whatever we are discussing, everything will be tracked here. With the associate, with this associate, whatever we discuss, everything will be tracked. Okay, maybe they'll come in 1 or 2 minutes. Maybe they are busy. So this is how we contact customer support. Any doubts in this support center? Any questions? That's all for today. So today we have discussed how to create AWS account, and inside AWS account, like all the billing related, regions related, customer support related services, different types of services, and their free tier, their limitations. These things we have discussed. If you have any questions, you can ask me. Silence is not the correct way.
Yeah, we will try to create the account today, and we'll see. If we have any questions, we'll respond
Yeah,
back.
you can ping in a WhatsApp group.
Yeah.
Okay. Like anyone, like if you have any questions, please use WhatsApp group for your doubts, queries, whatever. You can discuss among yourselves also. Anything, any questions?
Yeah, Arvind, like services you told, right? If we don't use, we will stop. Like we need to stop manually, or it will stop automatically if we won't use services or some other thing.
If you want to stop automatically, for that also you need to do something in AWS. It's not like normally you can stop. In AWS Lambda service, I will show you how to stop the infrastructure, how to start the infrastructure automatically. In that service, I'll explain. As of now, like you need to do manually only. Normally, it's manually.
Okay.
So, this associate is not coming yet. Okay, no worries. And at the chat session, so I can resolve. See if my issue is resolved, I can click on this button, resolve case. That's it. I can see what all the tickets I have raised cases. In this account, I have raised only one ticket, and it is resolved. Okay then. Do you have any issues in accessing the videos? I have shared you, right?
No, Arvind.
Accessible now? Okay.
I haven't tried. I will try.
Okay. Uh, Divya Bharati, who is this?
Hey, hi, Arvind.
Yeah, hi Divya. May I know
Hi.
who this meeting invitation?
You only shared with me,
Okay,
Arvind.
Divya, you, okay, okay. I
Ah,
just,
you remember me, no? Already I have joined.
okay.
Okay, Arvind.
Fine. We'll continue tomorrow. Bye.
Thanks, Arvind.